Hello and welcome everyone to Triple.com. This is Sneha Tiwari in front of you all. Deepak Nitrite Ltd is an Indian chemical manufacturing company. The company's manufacturing facilities are located at Nandesari and Dahej in Gujarat, Roha and Taloja in Maharashtra, and Hyderabad in Telangana. When we talk about its shares, Deepak Nitrite surged 10% in Wednesday trade after the company's arm announced the large capex investment plans in the state of Gujarat. The stock settled 9.3% higher at rupees 2,132 apiece on NSE. So far this year, the stock is up about 7%. Deepak Nitrite informed the exchanges that its subsidiary Deepak Chem Tech has signed a Memorandum of Understanding MOU with the Gujarat government to invest about 5,000 crore in the state. The outlined investment is for setting up the projects to manufacture specialty chemicals, phenol and acetophenol at Nandesari in Gujarat. Deepak Nitrite produces a spectrum of chemicals including agrochemicals, colorants, rubber, pharmaceuticals, specialty and fine chemicals. Deepak Mehta is the chairman of company and his son Maulik Mehta is the chief executive officer. The founder of company Chimal Lal Khemchand Mehta, father of Deepak Mehta, was a known chemical trader in the Jain family of Gujarat. The company was incorporated in March 1970. Sodium nitrite and nitrate plants were commissioned at Nandesari, Vadodara, Gujarat, and production started in 1972. The plant produces chemicals like sodium nitrite, sodium nitrate, and other elite chemicals. On a consolidated basis, the company remains debt-free with a net worth of rupees 4,090 crore, readying its balance sheet for the future expansion. So this was all about the company Deepak Nitrite. Thank you for watching Triple.com. Stay tuned with us.